Okay, update on the Solidoodle. Confirmed that it works. It powers on, and I'm able to sing commands to it, and it, for the most part, responds. Some things that I'm going to be addressing and fixing are these fans here. They're not really needed, to my understanding, and it's going to add extra weight to this carriage, which is already going to be super heavy with it being a direct drive setup with the dual extruder. But I still want to leave the dual extruder. I might look into making it into a Bowden setup to make this part really fast. I'm going to have to probably redesign this part here because, as you can kind of see in there, it's just rolling on a plastic PVC, probably just what you would use for a Bowden tube. And if I can put that on a linear rail, that will help smooth out this movement action going forward and back, similar to what it does left and right. And then I'm also going to have to look into probably cleaning this up, but I might swap out the boards for a different type setup. Probably look at a Big Tree Tech turbo board or something to put in there. And then on the back, well, redo this wiring setup, because this carriage, whenever all the way back, hits that, and that could cause some issues. And then I also need to design up and print up some spool holders to go back here. So this is just kind of my first impressions of it. Solidoodle went out of business pretty quickly from what I've researched, and it's just going to be interesting seeing what I can do with this printer. For the most part, it's mechanically sound. Just need to do some improvements, because it already has a basic auto bed leveling. With this sensor, it's just a little switch used to detect if it's hitting the bed or not, kind of like a BL Touch or something. So I'm pretty sure I can get this going pretty good. This is going to be a long project.